The sources that I'll share with you today will pay you in PayPal money again and again. They are absolutely free and you can make extra income for just completing some easy surveys. In order to set them up properly, make sure to stay tuned until the end of this video so you can get every step right. Just before we start, I want to remind all of you that if you haven't already, to subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you're going to get notified each time I upload brand new strategies on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use them and therefore make the most money. With all of that said, let's now start with today's tutorial so I can show you everything. And don't forget to just give this video a thumbs up and to leave a comment down below if you want to ask me anything. So the very first platform for today is called Survey Time, and it's over at surveytime.io. So you can guess from the name that you're going to complete some surveys here, and you're going to get instantly rewarded with $1 for every survey you complete. So you're going to have some surveys that you want when you need them. So you can sign up for absolutely free with your Facebook account, Google account, or Twitter account, or you can even put your email over here and your password, and surveys will be sent to this email. Then agree to the terms and conditions from Survey Time and click on the Start Now button. If you want to, you can check out the reviews over at Trustpilot so you can see what people have to say about this platform. So you're going to get paid actually with Coinbase, even in cryptocurrency, with Amazon gift cards, Target gift cards, but also PayPal, as you can see, just like I promised you at the beginning of this video. So this was the first platform for today. I'm going to show you the second one right now, which is called Swagbucks, and it's over at swagbucks.com. As you can see, you can join for free without any investment by putting your email address, a password, confirm the password, and click on the sign up now button. And also you can even sign up with a Google account or Facebook account, which is very easy and fast. So this platform has been seen on BuzzFeed, Save the Student, The Penny Harder, ABC, and also the Huffington Post, which shows that this is a legit platform that has a lot of potential. So you can get free gift cards and also cash for some things that you can do online, just like shopping online and getting cash back, watching entertaining videos, searching the web, answering surveys, which is our main focus today, and finding great deals in order to earn you points. Then you can redeem those points for gift cards in Amazon, Walmart, or get cash back from PayPal. They have paid out to their members a lot of money, millions of dollars over here, and also they give out like 7,000 of free gift cards every single day. You can even check out the reviews over Trustpilot. You're going to notice that they got like more than 26,000 of reviews with 4.3 stars, which is pretty awesome actually. So let's proceed with the third platform for today, and I hope that you are liking this video till now. If you do, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World. The next platform for today is called Earnably, and it's over at Earnably.com. With this platform you can get digital rewards and gift cards by just completing tasks, watching videos, and taking surveys. Even this platform offers you taking surveys as a way to make money online. So you're going to get points that you can redeem them for PayPal money, but also some gift cards from Amazon, Best Buy, Facebook, and so on. Down here you have some reviews for people that are using this platform and getting paid again and again. Also, you can check out the reviews over at Trustpilot with almost 1,000 of reviews and 4.8 stars, which is pretty awesome. You can just click on the sign up button down here in order to put your information, and then you can just start taking surveys, but even do those other tasks in order for you to maximize the results and make even more money. So these were some of the sites I wanted to show you today. I'm also going to give you some apps that you can just install on your smartphone device and make money from your phone. So the first one is called Qmee, and it's over at qmee.com. As you can see, you can share your opinion and you can even shop to earn real cash and rewards. So it's going to be cash, not points that you can redeem for money, but you're going to just earn cash immediately. And you can even download the app on App Store and Google Play Store, so it's available for both devices, or you can just sign up here in their website. So let's check out the reviews over at App Store. They got like 60,000 of ratings with 4.6 stars, which is pretty awesome actually. And also here at Google Play Store they got 62,000 of reviews with 4.3 stars. So back to their official website, let's get to know some some other features, so you can earn cash by completing some surveys anytime and anywhere you are. You're going to share your opinions on brands, and then you're going to get cash back even on great products and find deals on the biggest brands. So these are some of the reviews, even on Trustpilot. You can even check out the reviews where you're going to download the app over at App Store or Google Play Store. So you can take surveys while you commute, you can earn during your downtime when you have spare time, and also it's perfect for beginners who want to just save money for books, software, and so on. So all you need is a PayPal address, so you need to create a PayPal account actually if you don't have one, because all of these platforms and apps that I'm giving you today pay you in PayPal money, as you can see. So you just need to have one PayPal account, and you can see your balance growing over there again and again, which is pretty awesome actually. You can even get gift cards, but of course even cash through PayPal. So this was over at Qmee.com, that you can even get over at App Store and Google Play Store. Let's proceed with the second app, which is called PaulPay. I'm over at their official website, but as you can see, you can get the app on App Store and Google Play Store. Millions of surveys you can complete to earn rewards and money. Here on Google Play Store, you're going to see that they got like more than 600,000 of reviews, which is pretty crazy actually, and also 4.4 stars. So let's get to know some of the features of this platform. You're going to see that you can just register with PaulPay, then participate in some surveys in order to increase your balance, and you're going to exchange your balance for people credits and also some Amazon gift cards, Xbox gift cards, Netflix gift cards, and so on and so forth. So it's very easy. Actually, you can never run out of surveys to complete because they update them every day. As you can see, there are new surveys in order to earn money daily. So there can be some short opinion polls or even long market research. They select the very best ones for you, so you can make the most money and very easily from home. If you go over to App Store, you're going to notice that they got like 42,000 of ratings with 4.6 stars. So you're going to notice that this platform is very loved by people. You're going to earn money, very easy and simple. You can complete surveys and also get gift cards and get paid in PayPal money. So you can just try it out, and as you can see, they're going to pay you in your currency, which is pretty awesome. So these were all of the platforms and apps that I wanted to show you today, that you can get paid in PayPal money by just completing some surveys. I want you to let me know if these platforms work in your country, and if they don't, let me know, because I can give you some other strategies and how to make money online even in your country. So with that said, guys, this is it for today's video. I really hope that you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, a comment down below, and also subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.